I do not recommend you buy this. It's so, for the price, it's too old school. Turning knobs, no big deal here. But this, once you turn it, there's no turning it off. The timer continues to tick. So it has to run this whole time before it shuts off. Also, when you cook, there's no way to stop this from running so that you can pull this out to flip your food. It's just very not okay. The only way to stop this, because you cannot turn this off, you have to unplug a running machine. I don't know how safe that is. Also, this gets super, super hot. If you have kids, they're going to burn themselves 100% guaranteed. It also blows out extra hot air. So underneath a cabinet, it says do not use. I don't know about you, but a countertop pretty much usually always has a cabinet. I don't know. Also, inside, it looks a lot more spacious than it really is.